We rise for the voices that were lost in pain. With dreams of justice echoing loud, we stand together, strong and proud. Justice for all, let the banners fly. In the name of freedom, we'll reach for the sky. With courage and hope, we'll break every chain. For a world united, we'll never be the same. From the shadows of history, we hear the call. The cries for freedom that unite us all. With every heartbeat, we'll march as one. For the battles fought and the victories won. Justice for all, let the banners fly. In the name of freedom, we'll reach for the sky. With courage and hope, we'll break every chain. For a world united, we'll never be the same. When the night feels darkest and the road is steep, together we'll rise, our promise we'll keep. For every soul yearning to be free, in this fight for justice we'll make history. Justice for all, let the banners fly. In the name of freedom, we'll reach for the sky. With courage and hope, we'll break every chain. For a world united, we'll never be the same. So let our voices echo through the land. For justice and freedom, together we'll stand. With love as our armor, we'll face the storm. In this quest for justice, we'll be reborn.